Hi, welcome to another video on the My Fragrance Journey channel. In this one, I always get a lot of questions from guys, just asking me, guys, what's a good fragrance at a good price to get, etc., etc. Guys are always asking for that kind of advice, right? So in this video, I'll be just, reviewing or just, giving you a list of the 5 top fragrances, top clone fragrances that the average guy out there should know about and most probably should get into their collection, right? These are affordable, they are good, they are sort of inspired buys of very niche high level fragrances. So here goes, right? At number 5, right? Tried, tested, well loved. It's a flanker of Khamrah, is Khamrah Qahwa, right? So it's the Khamrah DNA with a bit of coffee, right? So this is, oh, that smells good, right? So this is, it lasts long and it smells good. You've got a mix of a vanilla-y, cinnamony, praline, candied fruit here. So it's a beautiful fragrance, right? Released in 2023, I think a year after the original Khamrah. So essentially, if you look at the bottle, it's based on the Angel Share, right? So Angel Share has lots and lots and lots of clones out there, but this is one of the best, very high fragrance, right? So it's an oriental vanilla, top notes here, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, and then the mid you've got praline, candied fruits, and white flowers. And then the base you've got vanilla, coffee, tonka bean, benzoin, and musk, right? But it is a sweet, candied vanilla with coffee in it, right? So beautiful, beautiful fragrance, highly recommended, right? So yeah, I put it at number 5, but this is no means a tier list. This is just 5 fragrances that I feel the average guy out there should know about, right? And the next one at number 4 is from the house of Rayhaan, right? So this is a clone of Jean-Paul Gaultier's Le Male Elixar, right? So it's got that tobacco honey type of vibe to it. Beautiful, beautiful scent. So from the house of Rayhaan, released in 2024. Top notes, mint, bergamot, freshness in the opening, and then you've got benzoin, lavender in the mid. So that's the lavender we all know if you're very familiar with Jean-Paul Gaultier's Le Male range of fragrances. The lavender is always the star of the show, or an ever-present note. And then the base you've got vanilla and tonka, right? So despite the note breakdown, you still get that tobacco vanilla type of vibe, despite there being no vanilla, there be no tobacco or honey listed here, but the prominent notes in the Le Male Elixir are the honey tobacco mix, right? So beautiful, beautiful fragrance. It will make you smell like a superstar, right? This one will make you smell like a superstar. The next one on the list is one of the first clone fragrances I ever bought from the house of Armaf, Club de Nuit Intense, right? So this is very, very popular in the community as one of the best clones of Creed's Aventus. So yeah, that pineapple-y, woody, smoky type of fragrance, right? So something strange happened to my spray nozzle. For some reason, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I don't know what's happened, but I've had this for a while and it's pretty full. It's one of the very notable fragrances that I always get compliments on, right? I didn't believe it until I got it, started putting it on, and people used to ask me when I walk into shops or wherever I go, to say, what are you wearing? It smells very good. So yeah, Club de Nuit Intense from the house of Armaf, right? So it was released in 2015. Top notes, lemon, pineapple, bergamot, blackcurrant, and apple. So fruity, up top. And then you've got the mid of birch, jasmine, and rose, and then the base of musk, ambergris, patchouli, and vanilla, right? But it's essentially a smoky, pineapple-y, woody type of scent, man. You'll smell like a boss, right? This is a boss level type of fragrance, right? You will smell good, right? So yeah, another great fragrance that any average guy who wants to smell nice, using a couple of clone fragrances should have. CDNI Intense from the house of Armaf, right? And then towards the top end, this one makes no secret of, you know, the fragrance. It's cloning, yeah, or imitating. So from the house of Maison Alhambra, a spin-off brand of Lattafa, comes the Tax, right? So the Tax EDP. If you're familiar with Tuxedo, YSL's Tuxedo, which is a patchouli-based fragrance, you'd recognize the CDNI on this. So it is an oriental floral fragrance released in 2022. Notes here are patchouli, spicy notes, amber, vanilla, and floral notes, right? So the one thing about this fragrance, it's one of those very wearable floral fragrance, right? So I used to think I could never be able to wear a very floral type of fragrance, but with this one, you know, I wear it with ease, you know, because it's so good. It smells very, very high end. So yeah, definitely one of those to get and put into a collection. This is the type of fragrance that, you know, suit and tie office type of vibe. You know, people will take you seriously if you smell like this. So very nice. From the house of Maison Alhambra, the Tax, based on YSL's Tuxedo, right? And then last but not least on the list, a recent addition to my collection, a very, very nice fragrance, from the house of French Avenue, a spin-off brand of, I think, Fragrance World, comes Liquid Brun, right? So Liquid Brun is a clone of Parfums de Marly's Altair, right? So beautiful, beautiful fragrance, very vanilla leaning, vanilla focus. So top notes here: cinnamon, orange, cardamom, bergamot, so fresh up top. And then you've got the bourbon, vanilla, and the elemi in the mid, which are sort of the notes that sort of dominate in this fragrance. And then, the fragrance dispenser is so nice. Let me just, that's today's scent, right? And then the base, you've got praline, ambroxan, gaiac wood, and musk, right? So, but essentially vanilla-y, spicy type of fragrance. This is it, right? Beautiful, beautiful. It smells very high end, guys. This stuff smells very high end. It's very good, right? So yeah, that's my top 5 fragrances that I would advise any guy who's getting into fragrances and would like to get, you know, a couple of, you know, clone fragrances and wants to know what's out there and what's good, right? These are some of the best, right? These are some of the best. The Khamrah Qahwa, the Rayhaan Elixar, the CDNI Intense for Men, the Tax by Maison Alhambra, as well as Liquid Brun by Fragrance Avenue, right? So these are my top 5 that I recommend for any guy to get out there to get their you know, fragrance collection started with some very good clone fragrances, right? With that said, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Till next time, peace.